Well, it's Dargie here, and I'm at Queensferry this morning, and you can see the magnificent Forth Bridge behind me, with the old Forth Road Bridge there, and just back there the Queensferry crossing. And what a great spot to be for sunrise. So I'm out here for this sort of twilight blue hour kind of shot just now, and I'm hoping for a bit of colour in the sky behind the old bridge there, which is just coming up just now. So let me get on with that. Before I do, let me invite you to subscribe to the channel, give the video the thumbs up, and check out my website for my free ebook, and I'm going to let you know how I'm getting on. Still a few minutes before sunrise, but I was really banking on this pre-sunrise colour, and there's a little bit up there, but not the way I was having in mind. So it's funny, you always have something in mind on the way to a shoot, but sometimes it doesn't work out. So what do? Do you keep your hopes pinned on that, or do you start to adjust and let that idea go? So there's a kind of a hazy, misty quality. I don't know if you can get that through this camera. So maybe better to start to embrace that rather than to keep wishing for those colours, which might not come. Okay, I'm in a bit of a better spot now. Let's see what's shaping up here. I'm shooting at 20 seconds f11 ISO 64. I've got polarizer and 6-stop on there. There's the bridge that I'm looking at, and this is a bit better. I don't know, the colour's starting to come through a bit now behind me. So yeah, patience pays. That's what my old friend Ken used to say. And this is just switching on now, so we're just before sunrise. What a great place to be in the morning, and on such a fine day as well. Photography's brought me to so many great experiences, places and people, and this is up there. This is just a cracking place to be. So the Forth Bridge is here on the east coast of Scotland. This bridge spans over 2,400 metres, and it was completed in 1889. That just blows me away, 1889. So 130 odd years ago. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Let me get back to work. So just looking at the composition here through the camera, and I'm shooting with a D810 today. This is what I've been shooting at, but I'm just feeling like, should I widen this up, take a bit more sky in, because that sky is coming to life a bit now. So maybe I'll point that up. Push that in. That bit on the left bugs me. I just want to push that out, and maybe we'll get somewhere around there. I want to make more of the sky, but I don't know if I want to completely lose what's at the bottom. That kind of grounds it and gives me another layer of depth. But we're in a good place at the moment. Colours are not vibrant, but they're there. The sun's up. I don't know if you can see that just through that thick pillar there. The sun's just up behind there, and this is shaping up quite nicely. Oh, that's better. The sun's really broken through now, and I've just been working away at this. I'm having an absolutely brilliant time this morning. Usually there are crises and I'm trying to troubleshoot things, but not today. It's been pretty good. And I want to get down to the other side of the bridge down there. Well, the light's still good, so just going to keep going. I'll show you what I've been up to. Well, that's me about done here in Queensferry. No drama this morning. It just kind of came to me. I was up super early for the blue hour. That was so, but the sunrise really gave me everything I could have wanted. And I think this location is so strong and so iconic. There's great spots all along the shore here. You can shoot the new bridges, the old bridge, and with a wide lens you can get it all in. And there's nothing wrong with picking out just one at a time. But you know where it is if you're in Scotland. If not, if you're coming to Scotland, visiting Edinburgh, it's not far away. But for me this morning, just throwing myself into my photography, forgetting about all my cares and worries. And isn't that what we do this for? So thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the like button, that really helps me on YouTube. And you can check out my website, grahamdargie.com, where you can get my free ebook, 3 Steps to Better Photographs. And check out my channel again. Thanks for watching, take care, be kind, enjoy your photography. I'll see you out there.